click on top of, so once I click on top of the that one, so I will get this accept, and but I have to restart. So after restarting only I will get that information. So here is like I am having like desktop is starting. Okay. So and also here I have, we had different things like, the installation is in, there is some error known as WSL, actually installation is incomplete. So for this what we need to do is we have to go for this link. So once we visit this link, okay, so there we will have some. So once we go for this link, so then it'll ask you to download the kernel package. Okay, so if I think if you are okay, so after clicking on this, I will have some WSL update. Download. Once this is downloaded, I have to run this. So I will have this kind of image, and then I have to press yes. So once I go for that, it is like finished. And the next it will ask you set your default version. So this one I have to go for the CMD command prompt, and so I think I have to copy it. PowerShell, run this command. I'm going for the PowerShell.
Okay.
So once I run this command on PowerShell, so it is like successfully done. And next is like I am going to install a Linux distribution. I think this is not required, so I have to restart this one now. Once I restart it, so then again, so I think another record Linux distribution it is asking. So let us go back. To that. So next go for this Microsoft Store. I think store Microsoft Store. So in this Microsoft Store, okay, so what's this? So yeah, we have apps. These apps. Yeah, okay. So suppose there will be Ubuntu. Get it in the store app. Open the Microsoft. Also get this one. So it takes some time. Okay.
Okay.
this is not necessary, but I have a okay. I have the Docker command here where I think I have installed it. Means this is not, if you require to have this Linux distribution, you can go for the Linux distribution. Otherwise, you can take directly with the Windows on control. So here you will have this PowerShell. Take the PowerShell, go to the PowerShell and give the Docker command. So once you give the Docker command, so you will get all of this information. So with the Docker, what and all you can able to do, that information is there here. So with this, we can able to make the builds and manifest file. There are some different services are there. Okay, so we are interested in creating the images. Docker is for development and also for the administration, and also and also for the both DevOps also. So we are interested to make it like to actually create a build. Okay, so now, okay, so I will stop this anyhow. This is not necessary. So, okay, so I'm going for the 1 second. I will open the PPT, particular PPT. One second, ma'am. I will go for the PPT, and we will create a sample project. So share this here. So you see here, I have this command to make the Docker to create a sample project, that is like Docker, Docker run. Okay. So if somebody is coming or if you want to know the version of Docker, what is the command? Docker space hyphen version is a command. So actually we are using Docker of 20.20.10.17. That is our actually version of the Docker we are actually going to use. Okay, so So next point is okay. So next point is like how to make the Docker to run. So I will go for a small command Docker run. Okay. I will just show you what is this hyphen D hyphen P, this ports and also this Docker get started. I will show you. So first I will create a project and I will show you. I mean after that I will explain you what are these things and all. So we are going to create we are going to run the default project in the Docker. That is like Docker space run space hyphen D means detach mode. Detach mode means backend it will run. Hyphen P means publish. Publish means we are
Sir, I
going.
am not able to hear, sir. Here it's raining a lot.
You are not able to hear me.
Sir, little louder, sir. Actually, it's raining, sir, here, so I'm not able to hear your voice.
So sound background sound is more.
Sir?
It is very.
Little louder, sir.
Oh, okay, no problem. I will take earphones. Hello, can you hear me?
Sir. Sir, actually, you told something here. D something. Can you explain that once again?
Yeah, about so, 1 second. I think I have plugged in my earphones. So headphone. So can you hear me, man? Now?
Sir.
Okay. So what? So here we are having this Docker, no? So this Docker is yeah. This Docker actually I'm going to run and run the application, the default application of the Docker. So that application, see, if you go for any company, so our the Docker responsibility is to manage the applications. Okay, so these applications are created by whom? These applications are actually created by the some software engineer. Some software engineer actually he will create some application. He will give you the application to put that and publish in the Docker. Okay, so now what you want to do? Actually you want to you want to take the path of where the application is created, and that path what you want to do, actually you want to make it I mean you want to publish it in the Docker. Okay, so here I am having a default application of the Docker, that is Docker forward slash getting started. That is my default application. So here I am having actually a small command that is actually given by the Docker itself. So they have given Docker run hyphen D hyphen P, and 80 is the port, and colon 80 is a sub port, and also Docker slash forward slash getting started. So this is my actually command which will run hyphen d Docker slash. Okay, I think I have to error during this error. Docker daemon is not running. Okay. I think I want to run this Docker desktop. So let me run this Docker desktop. So issue there. So here I have the issue Docker desktop failure to start. Okay, so I think so. Since it is Windows 10, it is not upgrading. 1 second. Okay, so I have to go for. So and since my do you have Windows 10 or Windows 11?
Sir,
Which version of Windows you have?
Windows 7, I think so.
Windows 7.
Uh,
Okay, sure, sure. Okay, I think Windows 7 is like okay, we will see about that. No problem. So let us check here. There is an issue with Windows 10. So that one, I think. We go for the sign in. Just, click on the sign in. Go for the sign in page. So, you are signed in. It's giving some error. So I have my Docker. There is one. If you click on top of the sign in, so it will give you, it will bring you to some website that is like hub.docker.com. Go for this website and also register your name and password. So after you are I'm registering here, so it will ask you to sign in. Once you sign in, you will be logged into actually here. Okay, so
okay.
I have created some repositories, some template. So this is my old one. So yeah, so yeah, here is there is some error here. Actually. I will check this error. So I think it is like a is for the Windows 10. It is having some
Okay, sir.
different way actually. I will
Can
check
I
this.
try? Can I try in my laptop, sir, once by installing
Uh,
this?
yeah, you can